In this video, I will tell you about the secret method of fulfilling wishes and achieving success, which is used by all successful millionaires and billionaires around the world. The law of assumption is a method that allows you to fulfill any of your desires. The secret of the method is that you need to assume these desires have already been realized. The law of assumption is based on the principle that nothing exists outside of your consciousness. If you understand this principle, you will be able to attract into your life whatever is in your consciousness at this time. First, you need to get your thoughts in order, change your assumptions, and set them on a way that is positive for you. Start imagining that all of your wishes have already come true, and imagine yourself in those situations. When practicing assumption, you need to actively imagine what feelings you would have if your dreams and goals had come true, exactly as you wanted them to. The clearer and clearer you feel it, the more accurately and quickly your desires will come true. Realized desires are the result of reflections of your thoughts and assumptions. In order for the law of assumptions to bring you results, you must be persistent and by no means quit until you get the desired result. Put your mind into the mode of strict control of your thoughts and you will definitely succeed. If you dream of wealth and a luxurious lifestyle, imagine that it has already happened. How do you feel? What kind of mood are you in? What kind of people surround you? What do you do for those you love? Turn your imagination on full blast and let things happen. I hope I have clearly explained the basic principle to you and that you start applying it now. And always remember that each of us deserves a luxurious lifestyle. Subscribe.